Hey guys, we're here in one of our large conference rooms, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing and setup of the 4K Icon 700. Inside the box, we've got the setup instructions, the Phone HD, and the Icon 700. Got the Phone HD itself, the moment we've all been waiting for, the Icon. Get this thing opened up, and we've got our box of cords. Last but not least, the camera system. Well, give me a second. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing unwrapped, and we'll meet you here in a minute. Inside the box, we've got the setup instructions, HDMI cords for the two monitors, so it connects to two displays, as well as for screen sharing, so this can go right into a life-size share. You've got Ethernet cord that can plug it into the wall, as well as an Ethernet cord that'll hook into the Phone HD, and the power supply for the device. Then moving over, of course, Phone HD, beautiful, and the brand new Icon 700. That covers the unboxing of the system. Now let's switch gears and I'll show you how easy it is to set up. Following along with the setup instruction card, the first step is to plug in your display, and the Icon 700 even supports dual displays. Next, we'll connect the system to the internet using one of the included Ethernet cables, followed by the Phone HD connection, which also uses a standard Ethernet cable. On the Phone HD end, just flip it over to find the connection. And the last step is just plugging in the power supply. Once the system initializes, head to the URL that's located on both the meeting room display and the phone display, and then just follow the on-screen prompts. The setup will walk you through choosing a language and a time zone, creating a password for the system, selecting the audio output for the conference room, and I recommend using the Phone HD. It's a truly incredible audio solution. And then signing into your Lifesize account to pair the system to your account. Next up is always the hardest part about setting up a conference room system, coming up with a good name for it. At Lifesize, we name all of our conference rooms after local awesome breweries, and to help with that, we've built a random conference room name generator. And it looks like we're going with Zilker. At this point, the system's all set up and ready to use. Heading over to the phone, you can see that the directory has synced and all of your contacts are ready to call. And the last thing to do is check out that amazing camera zoom. And of course, throw a conference room warming party to celebrate your new 4K Icon 700.
So, did you really set this thing up by yourself?
Yeah, it was really simple. I mean, plug and play, nothing about it.